First, open your web browser and search for Ubuntu download. Click on the first result that says Download Ubuntu Desktop. It supports both Intel and AMD processors. Now simply click on the green download button and the Ubuntu ISO file will start downloading. Next, we need a USB bootable tool so we can create the Ubuntu bootable drive. Open Google tab and search Rufus and click on Rufus official website. Scroll down a little and you'll see the latest Rufus version available. Just download the latest version from Download section. Once both files are downloaded, open File Explorer and we will run the Rufus application. Make sure your USB pen drive is connected so Rufus can detect. At the top, you'll see your USB drive listed in the device dropdown. Now click on the Select button and choose the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded earlier. After that, you can leave all the settings on default, no need to change anything, and simply click on Start button. Just click OK. You'll then get another warning telling you that all data on the USB drive will be erased, so double check that there's nothing important on your USB pen drive, and then click OK again. Rufus will now begin creating the Ubuntu bootable USB drive. This usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes, so just wait until it finishes. Safely remove the USB drive from your current computer and plug it into the PC or laptop where you want to install the operating system. So after inserting the USB drive, I'll power it on and immediately press the boot menu key. But make sure you check the correct key for your system. When the boot menu appears, select the USB drive from the list. On the next screen, choose the first option, Try or install Ubuntu. After that, Ubuntu will begin loading from the USB drive. First, choose your language and click Next. On the accessibility screen, you can simply click Next again, then select your keyboard layout. I'll go with the US layout, then click Next. Now you'll be asked about your internet connection. If you're connected with a cable, it will detect it automatically. Either way, click Next. On the next screen, make sure Install Ubuntu is selected, then click Next. Keep Interactive Installation selected and click Next again. Leave the default options as they are and move forward. Now you'll see the option to install third-party software. You can check both options and click Next. This brings you to the disk setup screen. I'm doing a clean install, so I'll select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu, then click Next. Next, you'll create your user account. Enter your name, username, and password. Click Next, then select your time zone and location, and click Next again. You'll now see the Ready to Install screen. Take a moment to review your choices, and when everything looks good, click Install. Ubuntu will now start installing, and this usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. After installation is complete, click the Restart Now button to reboot your system. If you see Please remove the installation media, then unplug the USB drive and then press Enter. After logging in for the first time, the best thing to do is open the terminal and run the update command to make sure your system is fully up to date.